Stephanie, have you been to the market?
Yes.
Yes? Who did you go to the market with?
Grandma.
Grandma. Is it fun to go to the market with Grandma?
Yes.
Yeah? Who do you go to the market with?
My mom.
Mom. Moms are good people to go to the market with. Bethany, do you like to go to the market?
Yes.
Oh, who do you go to the market with?
Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, Mommy and Daddy. What do you do at the market?
Buy things.
Buy things. What do you buy at the market?
Shoes.
You bought some... Ooh, Christopher bought some shoes at the market. What does your mother buy at the market?
Ham.
Ham. Good idea. What do you want to buy at the market?
Juice.
Juice? Oh, that's a good... What kind of juice?
Strawberry.
Strawberry juice. Okay. The last time you went to the market, what did you buy?
I buy ice cream.
Ice cream at the market. That's a good thing to buy.
Ribbon.
A ribbon. What color ribbon?
Orange.
An orange ribbon at the market. Have you ever bought a fat pig at the market?
No.
No? Have you ever bought a red rose at the market?
Yes.
Oh, that's a nice thing. Excellent! Now we have the words, Doobie and Doobop. So let's sing with these words.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡